Alright, I just came back from Walmart and I want to show off these hyper tough sawhorses, which only cost about $17. Good metal construction, and they got a weight limit of 450 pounds. We got some deals here for some hooks that didn't come in a box. Maybe that's an aftermarket accessory. Got these here. If you look on the box, you see right there, those little you're seeing right here, that little hook. So I'm gonna open this box right here. Okay. Yeah, 17 bucks, you know, because I was looking at the ones from Harbor Freight, the plastic ones, that's only, I think they were $14. So I didn't feel like driving Harbor Freight outside of town. I decided to look when they come out of the box. There you go. All right. Okay, here's a mock setup. So yeah, that comes in handy. Those these little clips right here. Those little clips. So for extra, I guess $3 or $4 over the plastic ones, you're getting a extra 100 pounds, because the plastic ones are rated at 350. These are rated at 450, and you get these nice little clips on the side, so you can actually make you a pretty good little table. Yeah, pretty good. All right, I got it set up. You can see how I'm using it. Okay, so now I got my new workstation for Legos and probably do some other stuff too. So you go out and get you some of those Walmart sawhorses. $17 is a good buy. You know, $3 or $4 more than the plastic ones from Harbor Freight, but it looks like you're getting a lot more for your money. You know, because I wanted to get those, but that's on the other side of town, so I would have made that difference up in the amount of gas that I would have burned up. There's my Lego trucks over there. I'll fill that table up. So new work table for the new Lego builds. I just started back in the summer of 2024 after being out for 25 years, and since I came back, I've built I built 6 trailers, and I'm working on the 7th trailer. So all those trucks you see are made between the mid 80s up to 99. So yep. So that Walmart workhorse is, sawhorse is definitely a good buy. All right, thanks.